I could call her mine. It's just a matter of time until I find my way. I've got my handsome good looks, I even know how to cook. My heart you already took, I will find my way. Your hair is flowing, short skirt, legs are showing. Give me a chance and before you know it, you'll be falling for me, baby!
Hi, my name's Rolanda. You're such a hottie. Can I kiss you? I want your body.
Ew, you're so ugly. You're gross and smelly.
Can I kiss you? I want your body. Why you don't like me? I so pretty. Can I kiss you? I want your body.
Ew, your face is crooked. No symmetry. Please get away now. Don't call me baby.
Oh my god, what the hell is? Is it because of my lips or my enormous round hips? I don't